Yes. Good afternoon to all of you. Screen is visible. Screen is visible, please. Anyone? Okay. Thank you. Okay. In previous lecture, we have discussed the basics of the batteries. Means what we have seen. Okay. What is battery? What is cell? Clear? What are the components of the battery? Anode, cathode. Clear? Electrolyte. And what is the operation of the battery? Okay, how the electrons will flow, what is meant by dead battery, what is meant by primary battery, what is meant by secondary battery, and what is meant by nominal voltage or rated voltage of the battery. Okay, capacity of the battery, what is C rate of the battery, constant current charging, constant voltage charge, and cycle life cycle of the battery. Clear? DOD. DOD means depth of discharge. So what is specific energy, specific power, okay, energy density, power density. So all these definitions we have seen in the previous lecture. Is it right? Okay. So today again we are going to see some more definitions. What are the battery amp hours? What are the battery amp hours? So the primary function of the battery is to store the energy. So obviously everybody knows the primary function of the battery is to store the energy. So we usually measure this energy in watt hours. Okay, we usually measure this energy in watt hours. Watt hours. Okay. So if you want to calculate how much energy is stored, or in other words, how many watt hours are stored in a battery, so we need to get the information about the electric charge in a battery. Okay. So means how much energy is stored in battery. So to get that one status of that battery, so we need to get the information about the electric charge in the battery. Okay. So generally that is this value is commonly expressed in amperes hours. This value is commonly expressed in amperes hours. Okay, amps, that's the amp is nothing but units of the current. Okay, hours is nothing but units of the time. Units of the time. Clear? So what is the battery capacity formula? And we know the from Ohm's law, the power P of an electrical device is equal to the voltage multiplied by the current I. Okay, P is equal to V into I. We know the formula P is equal to voltage multiplied by the current flowing through it. Okay, P is equal to V into I. So also we can define the energy power. Energy is the power P multiplied by time T. Okay, E is nothing but E is equal to P into T, P into T. So P is nothing but here V into I, V into I into T. Okay, so energy E is equal to V into I into T. Is it right? So here we can write this equation E is equal to V into Q. So here Q is nothing but charge, that is equal to current multiplied by the time. Q is equal to I into T. So that is equal to what we can write? Energy is equal to, okay, V into Q. So that amperes hours are measures of electrical charge. Okay, amperes hours. I is nothing but amperes, T is nothing but hours, time. Okay, amperes hours is measures of electrical charge Q. Okay, so that's why we can replace this I into T by Q. So we can write this equation E is equal to V into Q. We can write this equation E is equal to V into Q. Clear? So what is the formula for finding the electrical energy in a battery? E is equal to V into Q. So here Q is nothing but electrical charge or electric charge, that is I into T. That is I into T. So here the energy stored in the battery, okay, expressed in watt hours. V is the voltage of the battery and Q is the battery capacity measured in the amperes hours. Is it right? So this is the formula to find the how much energy stored in a battery. How much energy stored in a battery is equal to voltage multiplied by the electric charge. Okay, that is I into T. Clear? So here, so how we can calculate the capacity of the battery? How we can calculate the capacity of the battery? So for example, we have a 12 volts battery. We have a 12 volts battery, and the amount of energy stored in a battery is, for example, 26.4 watt hour. The amount of energy stored in a battery is 26.4 watt hour. So how we can find out the battery capacity? Okay, how we can find out the battery capacity? So we know the formula E is equal to, what is the formula? E is equal to, can you tell the what is the formula? E is equal to V into, anyone please? What is the formula for finding the energy stored in the battery? E is equal to V into, please tell me. What is this? What is this? I'm audible, please. Anyone? Anyone? Aarti, Mohini, Swapnali, Anil, Abhijit, Sachin. Anyone, please?
Yes, sir.
What is this? E is equal to, what is the formula? E is equal to? E is equal to, I have written on the screen. E is equal to, what is the formula? E is equal to V into Q. E is equal to V into Q. So here, what is the, what we have to find out here? We have to find out the Q. Q is equal to, Q is equal to, from this equation, what we can write? Q is equal to, please tell me. E by V. Can we write like this? Can we write,
Yes,
please?
sir.
Okay, so what is the value of E? 26.4. 26.4. So what is the voltage of the battery? 12 volts. What is the voltage of the battery? 12 volts. So what is this value? What is this value? What is this value? 2.2. Yes or no? 2.2 means Q is equal to 2.2. So 2.2, what is the units of this 2.q? Amperes hours. Amperes hours, because we have written the Q is equal to I into T. I is nothing but amperes, T is nothing but hours. Okay, so this is the battery capacity. So if they have given the total amount is energy stored in battery 26.4 watt hours, and voltage of the battery is 12 volts. So the battery capacity is equal to the 2.2 amperes hour. The battery capacity is the 2.2 amperes hour. This is the, in this way we can calculate the battery capacity. Okay, in this way we can calculate the battery capacity. Is it right? So 2.2 amperes hours is what it means. 2.2 amperes hours, what it means? Can anyone tell, please? Can anyone tell, please, what it means? For example, here we are having one battery. Okay, we are having one battery. This is the positive and this is the negative terminal. Positive and negative. This is the load. For example, this is the load. Load is connected between the positive and negative terminal of the battery. Clear? So if we have written 2.2 amperes hour, okay, the capacity of the battery is 2.2 ampere hour. So what it means 2.2 amperes hours? What it means? Can anybody tell, please? What it means? If this load is receiving the power or this load is taking the current 2.2 amperes, okay, if this load is taking the current from the battery 2.2 amperes, means this battery can be able to supply for this load for 1 hour. 1 hour only. Is it clear? Is it right? Is it right or not? And in case if this load is taking the current, for example 4.4 amperes, okay, if this load is taking the current from the batteries 4.4 amperes, so for how much time this battery can be able to supply the power for this load? For how much time? Anyone, please? .5 hours. 0.5 hours. Is it right? Hello? Is it right, please? Means if this load is taking the current from the batteries 2.2 amperes hours, so the batteries can be able to supply for power to this load is 1 hour. If this load is taking the 4.4 amperes, so this battery can be able to supply the power to this load is for half an hour only. Half an hour. Okay, that is the this is the meaning of the capacity of the battery. Capacity of the battery. Is it right? Discharge current. So discharge current, how we can calculate? Generally, we know the formula of C rate. Okay, so that is equal to discharge current I is equal to C rate into Q. C rate into Q. And here Q is nothing but amperes into hours. Ampere hour. Okay, and C rate is the constant value. Okay, C rate is the constant value. That is the C rate is nothing but the ratio between the discharging current by actual capacity of the current, actual capacity of the battery. Okay. Next, series and parallel connection of cell or batteries into battery banks. What is meant by series and parallel connection of cells or batteries into battery banks? Battery is nothing but hello. I am audible, please. Anyone? Kuldeep, roll number 37, roll number 44, Venkatesh Gaikwad. Anil.
Yes, sir, I do.
Why No one is giving the reply. Okay, so battery is nothing but it is the combination of the number of cells. Okay, maybe one cell or more than one cell, two cell, three cell, four cell, and these cells are connected maybe in series or parallel or whatever. Okay, so the combination of the number of cells can be called as a battery. Okay, can be called as a battery, and the combination of number of batteries. Okay, the combination of number of batteries can be formed as a battery bank, can be called as battery bank. Okay, battery bank may number of batteries raise more than one battery, two batteries, three batteries, four batteries. All these batteries are connected maybe in series or maybe in parallel. Okay, or series parallel, whatever. So if more than one batteries are connected in particular connection, maybe series or parallel. Okay, this combination can be called as battery bank. This combination can be called as battery bank. So like the same way, if the number of cells are connected in a battery, connected in a series or parallel, so that combination of the cells can be called as a battery. So here, battery banks are used when it is necessary to join the several batteries for a single applications by connecting batteries in a bank. Okay, it is possible to increase the voltage or current or both of them to connect several batteries in a bank. Okay, we have a three methods. So why we are going for the battery bank? Why we are going for the battery bank? So in order to gain the voltage or current or both of them, okay, or power. In order to gain the voltage or in order to increase the voltage or in order to increase the current. So the for increasing the current or for increasing the voltage, okay. So we are going to for the battery bank. Okay, battery bank is nothing but by connecting the number of batteries maybe in series or parallel can be formed as a battery bank. Okay, so generally we have a three methods. That is the parallel connection, series and parallel connection. Parallel connection, and series and parallel connection. When connecting batteries in a battery bank, there are some very important things to keep in mind. Okay, try to use not only the same type of batteries for your battery bank, but batteries made by some same manufacturer and from the same batch. Of course, never connect in one bank batteries, so that use different chemistries. If you connect different batteries, even if your design seems to work at the beginning, you will drastically reduce the lifespan of your batteries. If you do not match the capacities, one battery will discharge faster than the other, which again will shorten will their lifespan. So means whenever we are going to connect the battery bank, okay, whenever we are going to make a battery bank, so we have to remember 2 points very clearly. We have to remember, okay, while connecting the batteries in a battery bank. So what are the points? What are the 2 points? What 2 points we have to remember? So first thing, for example, uh, we are having the two batteries or three batteries, for example, B1, B2, and B3. Okay, so these are the three batteries are there, and these by using these three batteries, we are going to form a battery bank. So, for example, this negative connect to the positive, negative connect to the positive. Okay, this one terminal and this one terminal. This is the one battery bank. Clear? This is the total one battery bank formed. So while making the battery bank, so we have to remember all the batteries, whatever the batteries are using in battery bank, maybe one, maybe two or three, whatever. So all the batteries should be a same designed by a same manufacturer. All the batteries should be designed by a same manufacturer. That is one of the most important point we have to remember. SNI, is this battery is manufactured by the X, and this battery is manufactured by the Y, and this battery is manufactured by the some Z company. And we have taken the three different companies of the batteries, and we have connected together to form a battery bank. So this is not a right choice. This is not a right way to connect the battery bank. Okay, so all the batteries should be designed by the same manufacturer. Please remember, because if you are taking the different manufacturer, different companies batteries, okay, then the chemical reaction is also different. The chemical reaction is also different. So due to this, there is a chance to decrease the lifetime of the batteries. There is a chance to decrease the lifetime of the batteries. Damage होने के भी chances है. Clear? And second point is, what is that second point? All the batteries should be a same rated values. For example, if this is the 10 amperes hour, if the battery rated capacity is 10 amperes hours, okay, and this also should be 10 amperes hour. This is also should be 10 amperes hour, and this is also should be 10 amperes hour. 10 amperes hour. Okay, so means the capacity of the batteries also should be same. ऐसा नहीं, for example, if the battery capacity of the second one is 5 amperes hours. Okay, 5 amperes hour, and this is the 8 amperes hour. Okay, the capacity of these batteries will be different. This is the capacity of the battery one is 10 amperes hour. The capacity of the battery second battery is 5 amperes hours, and the capacity of the third battery is 8 amperes hours. And these three different capacity of the batteries are connected in battery bank. So it should not a good choice. Okay, this is not a right method to connect the batteries in maybe parallel or series or parallel series. Okay, all the rated values of all the batteries should be same. Okay, if this is the 10 amperes hour, this also should be 10 amperes hour. Okay, this also should be 10 amperes hour. Okay, so these are the 2 points very clearly we have to remember. One is the all the batteries should be manufactured by the same company, and second one, all the capacity of the battery should be same. All the capacities of the battery should be same. Clear? This point is clear, all of you? Anyone? Please. Hello? Hello? Any doubt, please? Any doubt? All of you listening? Prajakta, roll number 2. Prajakta Bodke.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना टॉपिक्स?
हाँ.
कुछ डाउट? प्रीति?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's go for the series connection of batteries. Okay, in order to increase the voltage between the batteries terminals, so we can play the cells in series. Okay, series means stacking the cells end to end, connecting the anode anode of one to the cathode of the next. So means what we can say, these are the cells. Okay, these are the cells. The capacity of this, the rated voltage of this cell is 1.5 volts, and the capacity of this cell is 2000 milliamperes hours. 2000 milliamperes means 2 amperes hour. Okay, and the second cell is 1.5 volt, 2000 milliampere hours, and third cell is 1.5 volts, 2000 milliampere hour, and fourth cell is 1.5 volts, 2000 milliamperes. These are the cells. Cell 1, 2, 3, 4 cells we have taken, and these cells are connected in series. Means negative plate of this cell is connected to the positive of this plate. Okay, this is the negative and this is the positive plate of the another cell. And the negative of this second cell are connected to the positive of the third cell. Okay, and the negative of the third cell are connected to the positive of the fourth cell. And next, positive of the first cell and the negative of the fourth cell are connected to the load. Are connected to the load. Okay, so by doing connection like this, it will form a series connection. It will form a series connection. Okay, is it clear? So by doing the series connection, so what we are getting the output? Output क्या मिलेगा अपन को? Output is the voltage will be added in series connection. The voltage can be added. Voltage, how will this voltage will be added? The voltage of the first cell is 1.5 volts. The voltage value of the rated voltage of the second cell is 1.5 volts. The rated voltage of the third cell is 1.5 volts, and rated voltage of the fourth cell is 1.5 volts. So total voltage कितना होगा बे? Voltage कितना होगा? 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. How much? How much, please? How much, please?
6, sir.
6 volts. Is it clear? So by doing the connection, series connection, the voltage will be added. That is the 6 volt, but the current will not be added. So whatever the current is of the first cell is 2000 milliamperes hours, 2000 milliamperes hours, 2000 milliamperes hours, 2000 milliamperes hours. So the battery rated values are 6 volts, 6 volts, 2000 mAh, 2000 milliamperes hours. Clear? This is the rated values of the battery. Clear? So like the same way, these are the cells we have taken, and these number of cells are taken and we have connected in series, so it can be formed as a one battery. So if you want to increase the if you want to connect the number of batteries in series, so how we can connect the number of batteries in series? Series means this is the one battery. Okay, already I have shown the diagram, this one, and one more battery we have taken, and one more battery we have taken, and one more battery we can take, no issue. These are the 4 batteries we have taken. Okay, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal of the first battery, positive, negative, and this is the positive terminal of the second battery, and this is the negative terminal of the second battery. This is also same, positive terminal of the third battery, negative terminal of the third battery. So like the same way positive, like the same way negative. Okay, series connection कैसे कर सकते हैं अपन? Negative plate of the first battery is connected to the positive terminal of the second battery. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So second battery of the negative terminal is connected to the third battery positive. Third battery negative connected to the fourth battery positive. Clear? So next, first battery of the positive terminal and last battery of the negative terminal are connected to the load circuit. For example, this is the resistive load, whatever load is whatever. Clear? So this is the series connection or parallel connection. Can anybody tell, please? series or parallel?
Series.
Series, na? Okay, so for example, if the battery one voltage is 6 volts and 10 amperes hours, for example, okay, since the rated value of the battery is, second one is also 6 volts, comma, just wait. This is also same, 6 volts, comma, 10 Ah. Ah means Ah means Ah means 6 volts, 10 amperes hour. Clear? So this is the one battery bank. So this battery bank rated values बता सकते का कोई? All the batteries are connected in series and rated values are also same, 6 volts, 10 amperes hours, 6 volts, 10 amperes hours, 6 volts, 10 amperes hours, 6 volts, 10 amperes hours. What is the rated value of this battery bank? Voltage कितना है और करंट कितना है? Please tell me. सीरीज में वोल्टेज ऐड होता है क्या? सेम रहता है. यहाँ पे देखो सीरीज में वोल्टेज ऐड किए ना अपन 1.5 प्लस 1.5 प्लस 1.5 प्लस 1.5 6 वोल्ट्स. तो यहाँ पे कितना है? 6 volts, 6 volts, 6 volts, 6 volts. So how much voltage? How much voltage? Please, anyone? 6 plus 6, how much? 24, exactly. Means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 24 volts. Okay, 24 volts. And current is same, 10 amperes hours. 10 amperes hour. So the battery bank, the rated values of this battery bank is 24 volts, 10 amperes hour. Is it clear? Okay, because all these batteries are connected in series. Series may only the voltage will be added, the current will be the same. Clear? This is the rated values of this battery bank. Is it clear? Next. This is the series connection of the batteries. Next. What about the parallel? Parallel means, for example, we have taken the 4 cells. First cell, second cell, third cell, and fourth cell, and each cell is having the 1.5 volts rated voltage. The rated voltage of the each cell is 1.5 volts. Clear? Is it right? So the positive plate of this positive plate of the first cell, positive plate of the second cell, positive plate of the third cell, positive plate of the fourth cell are connected. All positive plates are connected common. All positive plates are connected common. Is it right? Okay. Next, all the negative plates of the each cell, negative plate of the second cell, negative plate of the second cell, negative plate of the third cell, negative plate of the fourth cell. All these plates, negative plates are connected common. Is it right? So whenever the positive plates of all cells are connected common, and negative plates of all cells are connected common, so then it will form as a parallel connection. Then this type of connection is said to be parallel connection. Is it clear? So in parallel connection, if we have taken the 4 cells, each cell is having the 1.5 volts, then what will be the rated values of this battery? In parallel में current add होता है और voltage same रहेगा. So 1.5 volts is same, voltage is the same. Okay, current is 2000 milliamperes hours, 2000 milliamperes hours, 2000 milliamperes hours, and 2000 milliamperes hours. The capacity of the first cell is 2000 milliamperes hours. The capacity of the second cell is 2000 milliamperes hours. The capacity of the third cell is 2000 milliamperes. Fourth one is also same. So what will be the current rating of this battery? 2 plus 2 plus 2000 plus 2000, 4000, 4000 plus 2000, 6000, 6000 plus 2000, how much? How much? 8000 mAh, milliamperes hour. So means the when we are taking the 4 cells and these cells are connected in parallel, so each cell values is 1.5 volts, 2000 milliamperes. So the battery, the capacity of this battery is 1.5 volts, 8000 milliamperes hours. The rated values of this battery is 1.5 volts, 8000 milliamperes hours. Is it clear? Is it okay, all of you? Okay, so if you want to connect the batteries in parallel, so how we can connect? How you can connect? For example, this is the one battery, and this is the second battery, and this is the third battery, and this is the fourth battery. Okay, positive, 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 positive. Negative, negative, in negative terminal of the battery, negative terminal of the battery. So how we can give the connection? पैरेलल कनेक्शन कैसे दे सकते हैं अपन? पॉजिटिव, ओके, like this. Okay, positive of all the batteries are connected common, and negative of all the batteries are connected common. Is it right? These are the negative, negative. Okay, positive terminal and negative terminal. So for example, this is the 6 volts battery, 6 volts battery, 6 volts, 6 volts battery, and this is the capacity of this first battery is 10 Ah. Capacity of this second battery is 10 Ah. Capacity of this third battery is 10 Ah. 10 Ah. So can you tell this battery bank rated values? Can you tell anyone please what is the rated values of this battery bank? Please tell me. 6 volts, comma 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, how much? 40 amperes hour. The capacity of this battery bank is 6 volts, 40 milliamperes hours. Is it clear? Is it okay, all of you? Please. Are you understand, please? How we can give the parallel connection, series connection of the batteries in a battery bank? Please. Anyone? Are you understand? Please tell me. Prajakta. Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. Okay. Next, series and parallel. So how we can give the series and parallel? How we can give the series and parallel? Can anybody tell, please? Here we have taken the 4 cells. These cell 1 and cell 2 are connected in series, and cell 3 and cell 4 are connected series. Is it right? Cell 1, cell 2 are connected series, cell 3 and cell 4 are connected series. Okay. The negative plate of the cell 1 are connected to the positive plate of the cell 2. The negative plate of the cell 3 connected to the positive plate of the cell 4. And negative plate of this second cell and the negative plate of the fourth cell are connected common, and this negative terminal are connected to the load, and the positive plate of the first cell, okay, and the positive plate of the third cell are connected common. So these two terminals are connected to the across the load. So how it will form? This type of connection can be called as series and parallel. This type of connection can be called as series and parallel. Is it right? So what is the rated value of this battery? 1.5 volts plus 1.5 volts. These two are connected in series. So voltage will be added 3 volts. Okay. 3 volts. And the 1.5 volts plus 1.5 volts. 3 volts. And these two are connected in parallel. So parallel means voltage will be same. 3 volts. 3 volts. And what about the current ratings? The cell 1 rated capacity of the cell 1 is 2000 milliamperes. 2000 milliamperes of second cell. Third cell is also 2000 milliamperes hours, and fourth cell is also 2000 milliamperes hours. Clear? So here these two are connected series 2000 milliamperes, and these two are also connected in series 2000 milliamperes. So these two are connected in parallel. Okay, so how much? 2000 plus 2000 4000 milliamperes hours. So the rated value of this battery is 4000 mAh. Is it clear? Okay, this is the 4 cell battery. 2 cells are connected in series, and remaining 2 cells are connected in series. And these series, these two are connected in parallel. So this can be called as a series parallel. So the rated values of this battery is 3 volts, 4000 milliamperes hours. 4 volts, sorry, 3 volts, 4000 milliamperes hours. Like the same way, batteries. Okay, battery 1, battery 2, battery 3. Battery 1, battery 2, battery 3. And this is the battery 4. This is the 5th battery. And this is the 6th battery. Battery 1, battery 2, battery 3, battery 4, battery 5, battery 6. Okay, these are the 6 batteries. And batteries 1, 2, and 3 are connected in series. Okay. Batteries 1, 2, and 3 are connected in series. Batteries 4, 5, and 6 are connected in series. Clear? The positive plate of the first battery is connected to the negative plate of the second battery. positive plate of this second battery connected to the negative plate of the third battery. Clear? Next, like the same way, positive terminal of the fourth battery is connected to the negative terminal of the fifth battery, and the positive terminal of the fifth battery is connected to the negative terminal of the sixth battery. Clear? These are the series connection. Okay. And next, parallel में कैसे होगा? These two battery banks, negative plate of this one and negative of this one are connected common. Okay, and positive of this one and positive of this one are connected common. So only finally we got the two terminals, this terminal negative and this terminal positive. So what will be the voltage and current ratings of this battery? Can anyone tell, please? What will be the voltage and current ratings of these batteries? Preeti, Aarti, Preeti and Aarti, please. Aarti, can you tell? Aarti, roll number 7. Can you tell, please? Voltage and current ratings, can you tell, please, this battery bank? 12 volts, 12 volts, 12 volts. These three are connected in series. So कितना होगा? 36. 36 volts. This is also 36 volts. This is also 36 volts. And these two are connected in parallel. So final output voltage कितना मिलेगा अपन को? 36. Final output voltage कितना मिलेगा? 36. So current ratings 10 amperes hours, 10 amperes hours, 10 amperes hours. So these three are connected in these three are connected in series, means 10 amperes hour. 10 amperes hour, and this is also connected in series, means 10 amperes hours. 10 amperes hour. So these two are connected in parallel, means 36 volts, 10 plus 10, 20 amperes hours. This is the rated values of this battery, 36 volts, 20 amperes hours. Is it okay, all of you, please? Are you understand? समझ में आया क्या कुछ? Series connection of batteries, parallel connection of batteries, and series parallel connection of batteries. Hello? Any doubt, please? Any doubt? Nobody is giving the reply. So what is the meaning of this lecture? Roll number 1. 1, 2, 4, 5. Vrushali, roll number 23.
Yes, sir.
क्या क्लास नहीं समझ में आया क्या? नो सर भेजा आपने.
हाँ, सर.
आप कैसे किए चार बॉक्स में? नहीं समझ में आया कि लेक्चर?
आया, सर.
फिर नो सर लिखा आपने. 1 2 4 5 7 9. 1 2 4 5 7 9. 12 13 is 15. 12 13 15. 16 18. 16 18. 22 23. 22 23. 24 25 27. 24 25 27. 29 35. 29 35. 36 37 44. 36 37 44. 46 49. 46 49. 54 55. 54 55 57. 58 65. 58 65. 70 71 74. 70 71 74. Only 32 students are present.